A new law going into effect January 1st will require Texas landlords to notify renters of a flood risk.
This is big news for families in Southeast Texas, considering most people living in Harris County are renters. Our Xavier Walton has a story.
In Houston, it's not if, but when it'll flood.
56 years.
That's what Kenny Ryman says after living here for 5 decades.
Right by you right there on Buffalo Speedway.
During Harvey, what happened to your apartment?
It flooded. 5 feet of water. Can anybody hear me on there? Anybody hear me?
And did you know the risk of flooding when you signed a lease to rent that property?
No.
Starting January 1st, what happened to Kenny and countless others will be against the law, thanks to a bill authored by Texas House Representative Armando Wally.
So this is just another tool in a toolbox.
Texas landlords will be required to notify renters of a flood threat.
So at flooded once in the last 5 years or live in the 100-year floodplain, the landlord has to give you in writing notification that your home that you are about to rent or lease and put your family in has a propensity to flood.
If landlords fail to do so,
you can break that lease should you not be notified and your apartment gets flooded and is substantially damaged.
It's Representative Wally's work that makes Kenny feel
A lot better.
And why is that?
Because they should let us know in the first place
Xavier Walton,
before we sign a lease.
KHOU 11 News.
Thank you, Xavier. Learn more about the other laws set to hit the books in Texas at the start of the new year. We have a full list that's on our website, khou.com.